Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a celebrity that belongs to the world of cinema. He is a famous actor with a net worth of approximately $25 million. He has appeared in more or less 100 films so far. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Nicolas Cage, Nicolas Cage, Nicolas Cage, Nicolas Cage. Nicolas Cage is known for playing a wide variety of characters, from action heroes to complex, eccentric roles. Some of his top movies include Leaving Las Vegas, National Treasure, and Face Off. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Nicolas Cage, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.